In front of me is Redmi Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit additional settings. Now select one-handed mode and use gray switcher to activate it. Following that, follow all of those instructions to use it. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!